So this has got to be the most overlooked way of making money on the internet right now, and I've kind of talked about this before, but today I'm going to break down how you guys can actually make money online very easily. Probably won't cost you anything to start, and you may already know about this, but it's just a really overlooked method, and many people just sleep on the power of ads and how you can actually make a ton of money if you create content online. So if you've been trying to figure out a way, or you're researching ways to make money online, you probably want to start making $100 per day online very soon, or you want to be making thousands of dollars online. I think that this is actually something that you should get into, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, before we jump into that, just a quick reminder, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, side hustles, just about everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and you want to keep these free videos coming, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It helps the channel out a ton. It's completely free, won't ever cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on, and that way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos on this channel. Also, if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. But with that said, let's move on to how you can actually start making a lot of money online. So the method that you can use to start making money online, which is overlooked by a lot of people, is by using the Google AdSense network. Now, Google is now the biggest search engine, and Google actually does something that is completely genius. So for example, you guys may have experienced this before. You may be searching for something online, right? So for example, let's say you want to lose weight, right? For example, and you start searching on either YouTube, or you just do like a regular Google search, and you search for how to lose weight quickly. So after you finish searching, maybe you've read some material online, maybe you've even watched some YouTube videos, you get what you want, you move on. You may go to a completely different website, you may go to a blog, or you may even go on Amazon. You're surfing the web someplace completely different on the internet, and then there's an ad popping up at the side, at the top, at the bottom of the page, and this ad is exactly what you were searching for before. So now you have this product or this service, and it's related to exactly what you were searching for before. And this is actually very important. And this is important because Google and the AdSense network is already taking care of targeting people. So if you join the Google AdSense network and you have like Google ads running on your content, then you don't really have to worry about finding the right ads for the right people to click, because you get paid based on when people click and not necessarily when they buy a product or when they sign up for some service. So for example, if you have a blog, let's say you created a blog and you started blogging about car tires, right? You won't have to worry about the people coming to your blog not being interested in the ads that are being run on your blog and not clicking, because Google is already going to personalize the ads on your blog based on who the visitor is to your blog. So if I've been searching for ways to lose weight and I visit your blog, which is about car tires, even though the blog is about car tires, the ad that's going to pop up on that blog for me isn't necessarily going to be related to car tires. It's probably going to be related to my latest searches on Google, which are going to be ways or methods of how to lose weight. And so even if someone else clicks on your blog at the very same time from somewhere else, and they were recently searching for, let's say, household tools, then the ads that are going to be displayed to them is most likely going to be something that is related to household tools. So the point is, Google and the Google AdSense network is already taking care of personalizing the ads and targeting visitors that come to your blog. And this is why, if you want to make money, a really good way to do so is by creating a blog. And you can create a blog on just about anything you want. So you could create the blog on anything that you either know a lot about or anything that you're passionate about, and you could then join the Google AdSense program and then have Google run ads on your blog. And once you get visitors to your blog, then Google is pretty much going to do all the work for you. So this is like a guaranteed way of making money, because these people are going to come on your blog, they're going to be reading your blog, and they're going to be seeing ads that are personalized to them. And more than likely, they're going to want to click on these ads. And the good thing about the Google AdSense network, or this program, is that they don't have to actually buy anything, and they don't have to sign up for any services. So you never have to be worried about that. All they need to do is to click on the ads, because you get paid based on the amount of clicks you get on these ads. So this is a really good way to make money, and this is something that a lot of people overlook on the internet, and this is something that you should consider doing if you're trying to make money online right now. Now, here's an example of this, right? Just so you guys can see. So for example, I came to this blog. It's the Woman's Health magazine, or it's a health blog that deals with like health, fitness, beauty, all that stuff, right? So I'm here, and as you can see here, there are Google ads on this page. They are a partner in the Google AdSense program. Now, if you look at the top of the page here, you'll see that this ad is an Airbnb ad. It's not related to health and fitness, which is the niche that this website is in. And also you can see at the right side, there's also another ad like a house with a pool. That's also an Airbnb ad as well. And the reasons why these ads are Airbnb ads is because I was recently searching for Airbnbs. So these ads are personalized based on my online history. And more than likely, if you were to go to this website, you'd be seeing a different ad. And the ad that you saw would most likely be related to something that you were recently searching for. So this is what I mean when I say that Google is already doing most of the work for you. All you need to do is to figure out a way to get visitors to your blog or get the visitors to view your content, and then Google will literally do the rest. Google will personalize all the ads. They'll show people exactly what they want to see. They'll get them to click, and then you get paid. Now, the second way of doing this is simply by creating a YouTube channel, similar to what I'm doing, right? So it's the same way with a YouTube channel. For example, you're watching this video right now, and on this video, I have ads enabled because I have ads on my YouTube channel. And if you were searching for, let's say, the best investment platforms or the best investment brokerages before you started watching this video, then most likely any ads that are being run on this video for you will be related to an investment brokerage or platform. And if you are looking, for example, for ways to lose weight, then most likely any ads being run on this video shown to you are going to be ads about weight loss supplements or weight loss programs or weight loss services, right? So again, Google is already taking the data that they have on each person, and they're targeting these people with ads that they know people are actually interested in, and this is how they can get you to click on the ads. So again, Google is already doing most of the work by targeting, so all you need to do is to simply create content. It doesn't really matter what the content is about. All you need to do is to create content, and then you can create like YouTube videos, or you could create like a blog. You can even create multiple blogs in different niches, and then you can join the AdSense program, and then Google takes care of the rest, and you can actually start making a lot of money every single day, and you're not really doing a lot of hard work here. So the point is, don't overlook this method anymore. I think this is a great way to make money online. If you haven't given it much thought before, I think you should start right now. And with that said, be sure to check out some of my other videos about creating a YouTube channel and how you can actually monetize your YouTube channel, and also creating blogs and how you can monetize your blogs, and also even how you can create a blog for free. So if you have absolutely no money, I mean, if you have $0 and 0 cents, you can still pull this off, or you can still start. So with that said, I hope you guys make a lot of money online. And if you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe so you never miss the updates of when I post new videos. And as always, if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below. All the best with making money online, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.